Hey everyone, let's talk about how to set up Airbnb early check-in feature. So let me tell you guys, Airbnb does not have an automated add-on feature for early check-in. So instead, you manage early check-ins manually by adjusting your standard check-in time on your listing, communicating directly with guests, or using the Airbnb Resolution Center to securely charge an extra fee. So to set up early check-in options for your property, the first thing what you can do is set your default check-in time or set to flexible. Just update your standard availability so guests know when they are officially allowed to arrive. Just head to your Airbnb app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now switch to a hosting mode. Then go to your listing at the bottom of your screen. Since I don't have any listing, so you won't be able to see it on my screen. Once you go to listing, select your property. Then scroll down to the arrival guide or house rules section. Then tap check in or check out to set your designated start time. If your space is self-service, you can mark it as flexible to let guests arrive at their convenience. Now, the next what you can do is communicate early check-in policies. Just clearly write your early arrival policy, for example, whether it's allowed and if there are fees in your listing description and house rules to manage expectations. If a guest messages you asking to arrive early, check your cleaning schedule. If the previous guest checked out late or you need extra time to clean, let the guest know the standard time applies. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.